All right. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, I usually wear jeans because
Speak loudly. Yeah.
okay. Yes, I usually wear jeans because it's very comfortable to me, and I also wear jeans in my childhood, so I prefer to wear
I
jeans.
used to wear jeans in my childhood.
Okay, so that's why I usually wear jeans nowadays.
All right. How often do you wear jeans?
Actually, I wear all
I
of
wear jeans every day.
yeah.
Something like that.
I wear jeans every day, but mostly I wear on important occasions like when I go to party or in my college.
Okay, just try to add a couple of things more. How often do you wear jeans? Well, I almost wear jeans every day, especially when I go to college. There is no restriction. And whenever I need to go to any party, so there I prefer to wear jeans. Do you like wearing jeans and why?
I like wearing jeans because it's very comfortable to me, and as I told, I usually wear
As I told you earlier,
as I told you earlier that I used to wear jeans in my since my childhood. So
I
that's
have been wearing jeans since my
my
childhood.
childhood. So
Repeat,
I have been wearing jeans from my childhood.
since my childhood.
Since my childhood. So that's why I used to wear jeans.
That's why I love to wear jeans.
Okay,
Used
love
to means again past. Okay. How often do you buy jeans?
Actually, I buy my whenever I go to shopping. I usually
Whenever I go for shopping,
okay, whenever I go for shopping, I buy jeans because I love to take new jeans, new stuffs. So that's why I buy many times.
why do you think jeans are popular?
Jeans because it's common in our country. Everyone like to wear jeans.
Everyone likes.
Everyone likes to wear jeans because it's very comfortable and it's very good to wear.
Okay, so just it's a very good way. Don't say anything like
we
that.
we can use it for more like it's not
Okay,
need
by
to
the way,
wash
for
every day.
jeans, you will use they.
They.
We call it a pair of jeans. Jeans actually, pair
Yeah,
of jeans.
understand.
So they are very comfortable. They are very nice like that. Okay. All right, good. Just try to connect your sentences. Use a variety of words and sentence structures. Your turn, please. Okay, so walking,
Yeah.
right? Do you like, do you walk a lot?
Yeah, sure, why not? I like walk a lot. In my pastimes, when I was going for the college and the university as well, so at that time I will walk every day.
I used to walk
I
every
used to
day.
walking for the almost 1 to 2 kilometer away from me. It's my habit as well.
It was my habit.
It was my
But the
habit as
question
well.
is about present. Do you walk a lot?
Yeah, right now I walk a lot. It depends on my time period because that now I am in a profession of artificial intelligence. So when I'm free, then I go for the walk.
Okay, you should focus your proper sentence structure.
Okay.
This is important.
Okay.
Do you walk more than the past?
Not right now. I have just
No,
a
don't say
specific
no.
time.
You say no.
No, no. Right now, I have a very small time for my.
I have little time.
I have a little time to maintain myself. So right now, I have just to go out for a walk at a 10 to 15 minute, but I can manage myself and more than that with the passage of time.
Okay, where do you usually take a walk?
I prefer myself at my home, near my home. It's a farm at the edge of the Ravi River. Uh, I created a path for myself for a walk. It's almost a 1.5 kilometer with the help of a vehicle that calls a tractor. So
Okay, so just another thing, you need to try to talk clearly
okay,
and focus your sentence structure.
Yes,
At
sir.
times, you're mixing the words here and there.
Yeah.
Sentence structure is not proper.
Okay.
Do you think people will walk more in the future?
Yes. Now, if we consider that the point of the pandemic situation, that everything is going on as live sessions, live classes, and the people are not going out for their physical activities. And right now, with the passage of time, the people are more prefer walking because that they have no time for the exercises right now.
Okay, so in future, people will love to walk, or people will prefer to walk
at all.
Okay, you need practice.
Okay.
And you
It's
should
my first time,
repeat.
so that's
Don't
why.
worry, don't worry.
Okay.
Just repeat the tenses
Okay.
so that you have a proper sentence structure.
Okay, sir.
Once you have all these things, you'll be fine. Right?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.